Hi everyone, this is Sheila Peters and we're about to do a chakra meditation. So find a place to sit down where you can really relax and spend the next 10 minutes going through this meditation in order to help you create more flow, more balance, more peace in your body. So here we go. We're going to take one cleansing breath all together, and let's use our arms, reaching the arms out to the side, breathing in, lift the arms up over the head, put the palms together, and then bring your hands to your heart chakra as you exhale. And then straightening up with that spine. Let's close our eyes and take another deep breath, this time through our first chakra, our perineum area. We're breathing in and then exhaling. 2 more deep breaths in. Exhale, letting any blocks, any tension release and let go. Last time, breathing in, bright light. And then exhaling anything that can be released. Next, move your attention to your second chakra, breathing in. And exhale. This chakra is to be found between the pubic bone and the navel. Really concentrate on feeling the breath coming in through that second chakra. And then exhaling out. Again, releasing any tension, any blocks. Last time, deep breath in. And exhale. Moving up into your third chakra between your navel and below the lower part of your ribs area, solar plexus. Inhale. And exhale. See if as you breathe in, you can really isolate and start to breathe through that part of your body, that solar plexus, third chakra area. Exhale. And one more deep breath in. Here we go. Inhale. And exhale. Now we're going to breathe in through our heart chakra, right at our chest. Inhaling and then releasing anything that might be troubling us, any emotion that feels uncomfortable. Breathing in, letting pure love from Source to come in and flood that heart chakra with universal love. And release. Repeat once more through that heart chakra, really feeling the breath move through that area of your body and that chakra in. And exhale. Now we're going to breathe through the throat chakra. Inhale. And exhale. The throat chakra is not only about expressing ourselves outwards, but also internal communication. Again, breathing in, bringing in fresh, clean air to help the internal organs, both physical and energetic, and exhale to be able to communicate more effectively. Here's our third breath in. And exhale. Moving into our sixth chakra, right at our forehead. Here we go, breathing in. You may really feel this one. It's known also as our third eye, bringing in Again, energy to be able to really get the insights and the intuition as we exhale out any blocks. Repeat, breathe in, filling up that chakra, and then breathing out. Let's take this once more. This is how we can communicate with our higher selves through this sixth chakra, as well as with our heart. And now exhale and breathe out. Moving into breathing through the crown of our head, our seventh chakra. We're taking a deep breath in and exhale. Feel that clean, cleansing breath come in again through the crown chakra, breathing in. And exhale. Last time, breathing in. Opening up. And then releasing anything that you no longer need or want or desire. Let's take a couple more breaths now and see if we can combine all of the chakras together. So you're breathing in through root, second, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown at the same time. And then exhale out through all of those chakras at the same time. You may feel that you've got cooler air coming in. And again, breathing in all the chakras. Everything is lighter, nice and loose and fluid. And exhale. Last time, one more deep breath in, connecting all of the chakras together. They're lighting up, they're a team, and they want to keep you balanced. And then release and exhale. Let's open our eyes, reach our arms out once more, breathing, lifting those arms up over the top of our head, bringing the palms together. As we exhale, we bring the hands to the heart chakra. And just notice how you feel. You may feel like you've come back to yourself, back to some equilibrium. This is an easy way for you to start feeling better, both internally and about external events. Have a great rest of the day.